Hello everyone, my name is Dhanabalan. Today our group is going to present about the nanomaterials in active food packaging. The first part is introduction. Food packaging has always been an area of constant development and an industry that is always pressurized to deliver more. The food packaging material acts as barrier for external factor and enable to reach food to consumer in healthy and reliable way. In addition, the major goal in packaging is to improve food quality, safety, and shelf life extension so that it has the potential to be a perfect fit into the current busy lifestyle. The changes in the food, such as aroma, flavor due to aroma absorption, and transfer of flavor from packaging materials, are an important mechanism involved in deterioration of packaged food. Thus, the selection of packaging material and development of active intelligent packaging which overcomes the disadvantage of earlier packaging is pressing need of food industry. Next part is the objectives. There are three types of objective in this title: to protect food from high mechanical and thermal trauma while extending food shelf life. The next one is to enhance barrier characteristics and provide antibacterial function. And the last one is to consider environmental impact and to improve storage effectiveness. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Siddhartha Kumar, and I'm going to present about problem statement. So basically, nanomaterial may migrate from packaging into food according to studies, with the numbers of nanomaterials in the packaging material possibility affecting how quickly they can migrate. Then the food spoilage is brought on by food contamination, which promotes the growth and spread of pathogenic microorganisms, including bacteria, fungus, and water and foodborne diseases, and among others. And also, it lowers the quality of the food. And the creation of efficient antimicrobial food processing and packaging material that are safe, efficient, and reasonable price is required to address these problems. And finally, consumer safety is the main and the fundamental issues surrounding the use of nanomaterials. That's all from me. Thank you.
Let's discuss about literature review. One of the initiatives that the researchers has do which is the application of the nanomaterial in the food packaging. The research saw that the nanomaterial method in the production of food packaging have better quality than the conventional method. Mechanical milling. The method are manipulated the specimen for reduce their particle. Electrospinning. To implement this method, we must need a fiber to be aligned so we can produce the material such as the polymer in nanoscale. Carbon nanotubes has impressive ability to preserve food packaging na- nanomaterial. One of the advantages is this can reduce the cost and save the environmental factors. Apart of that, the disadvantage is the in the nanomaterial can cause health issue if it bring contaminant into the food. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
Type of nanomaterials and utilized in food packaging are nano reinforcement, active packaging, and smart intelligent packaging. Several strategies have been proposed to date in order to obtain the more control the portion of the dynamic specialists from the food active packaging materials. Each strategy focuses on a unique factor that affects the delivery rate. A few processes are used to improve the packaging materials properties. Nanocellulose and chitosan were the nanomaterials that proved acceptable for food packaging. Uh, for the sample materials we get the nanocellulose and cytosine. They have the unique physical and chemical characteristic and have a high surface area to volume ratio and significant mechanical strength. For the instrument, nanotechnology is the name given to the process of creating a nanomaterials, which is when a large object is broken down into the smaller part. The materialistic characteristic alter, which is where the nanotechnologies comes in. A novel process also the instrument that can take place in materials when structures are created with such matching to any of numerous conceivable length scales. For the analysis of this discussion is the hydrolysis of the precursor and polycondensation of the hydrolyzed products, which lead to the formation of polymeric network, form the basis of the sol gel process. This method, which is less costly, time-consuming, simple to use, and capable of operating at low temperature and little pressure may create the very pure nanocrystal. To improve the functional of the quality of nanopackaging, the nanotechnology has the potential to enhance the food packaging and safety through the packaging of a number of the ways. The last one is procedure. The top procedure that we use is the top-down approaches is one of the numerous options we have for packaging active food. Mechanical milling, lithography, electrosmithing, and laser ablation are the most widely used. There is the nanolithography techniques, which is the method of the method of the nanofabrication produces nano pattern between 1 until 100 nanometer in size. Lastly, the magless lithography, which comprises electron focus on ion beam, and scanning probe lithography was the and mass lithography. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Susindran Managaran. My matrix number is J2080629. So today I want to talk about my part, that is flowchart. So the first box is written active component, nanocomposites, nanocapsulation, and etc. And next goes to active component carrier system, such as pads or food container. The third is active packaging AP. And the last is extension food product shelf life and increase food safety. Release of antimicrobials, barrier against environmental factors, food product metabolites. Thank you. That's all from me. Thank you so much.